The photographers. Okay, can we start with the bikes?
Yeah.
This is good, but I'll interact with you. But I'll have to respond to his question. Or
Everyone asks.
Rolling?
Rolling.
Chalo, rolling?
So,
Okay, hi guys, it's good to see you. What are you looking forward to tonight? What is exactly happening inside? Thoda batayenge.
well, I'm just kind of looking forward to the show, and it's just great to be here. And L's obviously a great magazine, and it's the issues are always around the house and stuff with Sonam and Riya, and so it's just cool. I really like kind of. Getting ready for events, and it's fun. It's a nice break from when you're doing overtly intense films. It can get very demanding and challenging and stuff. So it's a nice. It's something. It's just good for your head. To come out, have a nice evening, meet some people that you haven't seen in a very long time.
Right. Also, we hear you're judging inside, if I'm not wrong. The fashion.
I don't think so. No.
Okay. So you're just gonna chill and have a good time. That's all.
Yeah. Just have a good time.
first congratulations for the Filmfare Awards.
I didn't win it, so you don't have to congratulate me. No.
But how do you feel?
How do you feel?
How do you feel? Were you expecting that?
We are expecting.
Look, I mean, if I say something, then you guys are going to make a big deal out of it.
No, but it's a
No.
honest question. Like, were you?
I think you win Stardust.
I know I won
Yeah.
everything except
Filmfare, yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think see, you don't really know what kind of goes into it. Like some awards have a jury, and then they decide. Some have a popular vote.
Yeah.
So I don't really know how they decided this year. But I think I think debutante awards should be for people that are relatively new to films and have done kind of less work. It's like otherwise it's like saying I've done 100 English films and now I'm doing a Hindi film, so I'm a debutante. So if Leo DiCaprio once wins an Oscar and then comes to do a Bollywood movie, he's a debutante, which is not. I mean, it's not something I agree with. But I mean, I think look, I have Bhavesh Joshi and I have another film that I'm doing that's a biopic that I'm starting at the end of the year. Now, as you grow, you keep working on your craft and you keep getting better as an actor, right? But at the end of the day, if people don't connect with the narrative of the story, it kind of takes away. People feel then your performance isn't what you think it is.
Yeah.
But in terms of myself, I've rewatched Mirzya several times, and there's not a moment I can really change about that film. Now Bhavesh Joshi might come out and it might connect with people more because of the plot and it's more relatable. So people may think that's a better performance, but that may not be the case. So it's so subjective and it's so greatly dependent on opinions. But I was very disappointed not to win, to be very honest with you.
Yeah.
And I'm very sorry, but I'm a very honest person, and so if you ask me the question, I'm going to answer it. So very, very disappointed not to win, and I'll be back. Don't worry.
Have you reached the show?
Yeah. So we've almost finished shooting that film. We have about 20 days of shooting left, and then the film should release sometime towards the end of the year.
That's great. And Sonam won an award.
Sorry, yeah. Yeah, I don't exactly know what happened. I saw a little bit of it on social media, but I don't want to have an opinion on something I don't have enough information about. So it would be very wrong for me.
Sonam won an award for the best critics. What do you want to say about that?
Well, I think she should have won the main category, to be honest, because if you're saying popular, then Neerja is the highest grossing female film of the year. And in terms of popularity, its reach is massive. So I don't understand how it really works. I mean, it's great that she won an award. But I mean, it would have been nice if it was Best Actress.
And two big films are coming up, Kabul and Race. Which one are you
Looking forward to.
I'm looking forward to both. See, Hrithik really saw Mirzya and really said some very genuine and nice things about the performance, and we've spoken after that, and he's obviously really busy with the film, so I'll probably go and meet him after. As for Raees, I think, after Dangal has done such massive numbers, if Raees does well and Kabul does well, then the industry is truly well and back to where it belongs, and that's because then what happens is a couple of films do the numbers numbers and everything changes, you know. And I have a feeling that both the films are going to do really well, you know. Between the two of them, I think that there are going to be some big collections.
You spoke about Dangal, and you know, Harsh, because you're an honest person, I want to ask you, do you think Amir is like the best actor that we have around right now? Because his films get a good commercial response also, and
Right.
critics also appreciate it.
Well, I think you know, there is a certain advantage of doing one thing at a time. Like, look, Mirzya may not have worked out at the box office, but in terms of attention to detail and its visuals and its music, it's, you know, you can. You do realize that we've taken that amount of time to make the film, and with Amir, he really invests so much in each character, in each part. You can see how authentic it is and how thought through it is, and it's still very felt. Because what happens a lot of times is, as an actor, is when you think about things too much, then it doesn't feel spontaneous. But he manages to kind of get the best of both worlds, you know. And look, I think it's the finest performance by an actor this year. I think Sushant was amazing in Dhoni also, and I also think Shahid was very good too. So I think those are the three best performances.
Thank you. Thank you.